A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our Tajweed course. Lesson number 5, Shafawi Makhraj. In this lesson, we will learn our third main articulation point, which is Shafawi Makhraj, meaning lips. The lips are the makhraj for 4 letters called Shafawiyyah letters, that are Ba, Fa, Meem and Wao. We will have a deeper look on pronunciation of each letter. Let's get started. First letter is Ba, which is pronounced from the wet part of the lips. Pressing the lips together and releasing them produces the letter Ba. Let's practice. Ba, Ba. Second Shafawiyyah letter is Fa, which is pronounced from the edges of the 2 upper front teeth touching the inside part of the lower lip. In order to pronounce the letter Fa, press the tip of your front teeth against the lower lip and exhale through the mouth. Let's practice it together. Fa, Fa. Perfect. Let's move to the third letter, which is Meem. Meem is pronounced from the dry part of the lips. In order to pronounce Meem, press the lips together and take the sound into the nose, doing nasalization. Let's practice together. Meem, Meem. Excellent. Last letter of this category is Wao, which is pronounced by rounding the lips. Opening the lips slightly and forming an O shape produce the letter Wao. Let's practice. Wow, Wow. Perfect. To produce these sounds correctly, the lips should be pressed together firmly, but not too tightly. The air should be held in the mouth and then released with a burst of pressure as the lips part to produce the sound. It's important to note that in Arabic pronunciation, only 4 letters Ba, Fa, Meem, and Waw are pronounced using the lips. Apart from these letters, the lips should remain still and not move while pronouncing any other letter. That's it for today. I hope that Shafawi Makhraj is clear so far. But still, if you have any question, leave a comment below. Take care of yourself, inshallah. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.